Imagine you're on a road trip, miles away from home. Your phone battery is dying, and you need cash. You head to the nearest ATM, insert your Monzo card, and it's rejected. Building context. This scenario has happened to many Monzo users, and it can be frustrating. But why does this happen? And how can you avoid it? Main content. Understanding Monzo and cash machines. Monzo is a digital bank that offers a variety of financial services, including a debit card. Cash machines, or ATMs, are physical machines that allow you to withdraw cash from your bank account. While most ATMs accept major debit cards, some may not accept Monzo cards due to various reasons. Reasons for ATM rejection. ATM network compatibility. Monzo operates on a different ATM network than some traditional banks. This can sometimes lead to compatibility issues. Solution: look for ATMs that display the MasterCard or Visa logo, as Monzo cards are affiliated with these networks. ATM maintenance or upgrades. ATMs may be undergoing maintenance or upgrades, which can temporarily affect their functionality. Solution: try a different ATM in the area or wait a few hours and try again. ATM location. Some ATMs, especially those located in remote areas or smaller establishments, may not be equipped to accept Monzo cards. Solution: look for ATMs in larger cities, shopping centers, or airports. Card reader issues. The card reader on the ATM may be malfunctioning, preventing it from recognizing your Monzo card. Solution: try a different ATM or contact Monzo customer support for assistance. Tips for finding compatible ATMs. Use the Monzo app. The Monzo app often provides a feature that allows you to locate nearby ATMs that accept Monzo cards. Look for ATM networks. Pay attention to the ATM network logos displayed on the machine. Ask local businesses, ask shop owners or staff if they know of any nearby ATMs that accept Monzo cards. Additional considerations. ATM fees. Be aware that some ATMs may charge fees for withdrawals. Monzo typically reimburses ATM fees worldwide, but it's always good to check your account balance and transaction history. Security. Always be mindful of your surroundings when using ATMs. Avoid using ATMs in isolated or dimly lit areas. Conclusion. While it can be frustrating when your Monzo card is rejected at an ATM, understanding the reasons behind it can help you avoid future issues. By following the tips and information provided in this video, you can increase your chances of finding compatible ATMs and enjoy hassle-free cash withdrawals. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, if you have any further questions or encounter ongoing issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Monzo customer support.